Hi, I'm Daniel Bogdanoff from קיסייט, and we're going to check out how the Infinivision 1000X series can help you get measurements you can count on so you can create the design that will change the future. The first spec you should always look for is bandwidth. These oscilloscopes range in bandwidths from 50 MHz up to 200 MHz and come with 2 or 4 channel models. Having the ability to use 4 channels at once is critical in some cases, such as performing 4-wire SPI testing. The thing I love most about this instrument, aside from its portable and, dare I say, adorable size, is that the 1000X series leverages the same proven technology we use in our higher-end Infinivision oscilloscope family, giving you professional level measurements that you can trust. This means that it has the same user interface and measurement performance as scopes costing 10 times as much. Entry level doesn't have to mean poor quality and performance. Just like the other Infinivision oscilloscopes, the 1000X series is powered by the קיסייט custom MegaZoom 4 ASIC processor. This custom chip ensures you will always see a quick response and the most accurate possible representation of your signal, even while performing complex analysis. Most other oscilloscopes in this class use off-the-shelf processing chips, which means if you turn up the memory depth, turn on analysis applications, and add in capabilities like math channels or serial decoding, the waveform update rate and UI performance of the instrument will drop significantly. But that will never be the case with the Infinivision 1000X series thanks to our custom MegaZoom 4 technology. Not only is the Infinivision user interface simple and intuitive, it also provides some huge bonus capabilities that can get you up and testing even faster. The first is the built-in help system. All you have to do is hold down any front panel button or menu button for about 2 seconds and a window pops up with a blurb explaining what that particular item is. Sometimes it'll even provide helpful setup tips. The second bonus capability is the training signals. There are 17 different preloaded signals in all of the 1000X series oscilloscopes, and actually all the Infinivision oscilloscope family. Set up these signals by pressing Help and Training Signals and hooking your probe up to the demo pin. These training signals are great for learning how to set up complex triggers, how to capture different types of measurements, and how to use some of the more advanced analysis features of your oscilloscope. There's also a free educator's training kit that goes along with the built-in training signals, and despite the name, it is not just for educators. It's really helpful for anyone that needs to learn the ins and outs of their oscilloscope. Also, the 1000X series will enable you to test more efficiently with twice as many built-in instruments compared to other entry-level options out there. Not only are you getting all the benefits of a high-quality oscilloscope, you'll also have an integrated 20 MHz function generator, a frequency response analyzer that performs Bode plotting, a 3-digit frequency counter, a patented 3-digit voltmeter, and a protocol analyzer. Note that the function generator and frequency response analyzer are available only on G models. The protocol analysis applications are a simple software license key and everything else comes standard. Just like the rest of the Infinivision family, the protocol analysis in the 1000X series will decode your buses in hardware, giving you significantly faster results than software decoding. The 1000X series scopes are great for collaboration and monitoring thanks to the built-in standard LAN connection on 4-channel models. This opens up a world of possibilities regarding when and where you can work. This allows students and coworkers to share equipment and work on projects from anywhere, ultimately saving budget. The segmented memory acquisition mode is an easy way to capture infrequent signals or even small portions of very large signals. This allows you to be a little more diligent with how you are allocating your scope's memory. If you're trying to see multiple occurrences of something like this infrequent RF chirp, if you zoom out on it to capture all those occurrences, capture it, and then zoom back in to make those measurements, you won't have the signal detail or accuracy you need to make viable measurements. Well, we don't care about all the space between each chirp, so what we can do is set up a segmented memory acquisition. This tells the scope to capture only the chirps and ignore the dead time between. This allows the scope to maintain a high sample rate, giving you much more signal detail. If you're working with any sort of filter, power supply, or audio device, the frequency response analysis Bode plotting application allows you to see how your device responds to various frequencies. The automated application uses the built-in WaveGen to perform frequency sweeps and measure your device's output. Naturally, this FRA application requires a model with the built-in WaveGen, all G models. You can also easily analyze the various frequency components in your signals with the fast Fourier transform, or FFT function, to see the frequency components of your time domain signal. Finally, mask testing is also standard on all DSOX models. The auto mask function makes it easy to set up pass and fail testing and ensure there aren't any anomalies in your signal. For configuration questions or a demo, contact your local Qiesite representative at www.qiesite.com/find/contact us. You can also find the datasheet or get a quote from the 1000X webpage. Thanks for watching.